In addition to the analysis tools, the site also provides some visualization tools to view the relationship among industries. The first tool is GCPS navigator, which allows users to search industry classification of a company, identify its competitors. The second tool is supply chain mapping, which positions a company in a supply chain to help identify its potential suppliers and customers. These visualization tools can be used either inside or outside of the project editing mode. Let's illustrate the GCPS navigator by example. All right, suppose we want to search for Apple to find out its classifications and major competitors. Now on the left panel, it summarizes the company name, headquarter country, and its classifications. Right, so it is belongs to the sector of information technology, industry group, technology, hardware, equipment, and all the way down to the most granular level of classification, which is sub-industry, right? Technology, hardware, and storage peripherals. Now, I also listed its major competing enterprises, such as Samsung Electronics, Dell Technologies, and Lenovo. Now, on the right picture, you can see the classification tree, right, top down from major sectors all the way to sub-industries, right, which is technology, hardware, storage, and peripherals. Now you can see some of the competitors or companies in this sub-industry, including Apple, right? The size of the circle is proportional to the total revenue, right? That's because we select the KPIs here to be total revenue. Now, of course, we can select other KPIs as well, right? Net income, total assets, net margin, and so on and so forth. Now, of course, you can also select a specific country, right? Instead of the world, specific country, right? To narrow down the competition. Now, let's keep the world, and let's scroll on the sub-industry, right? Which will bring out many more companies, right, in the same sub-industry. Now let's illustrate supply chain mapping by the same example. So a new slide, a new page. Let's open supply chain mapping. Right, let's search Apple. Here we go. And so, okay, here's the map is supply chain mapping is generated. Now you can see, right, Apple is classified as one of the technology, hardware, storage, peripheral companies. And here we show its upstream and downstream industries, right? Upstream such as electronic components, electronic equipment and instruments, and also system software and so on. The downstream customers could be data processing and outsourcing service because they use hardware, technology distributors, computer and electronics retail, and so on and so forth. Now, if we open each one of those, right, you can see the detail. Let's say computer and electronic retail, right? Open the industry detail, open node detail. You can see the companies here. So these are the potential customers, such as Best Buy, and some other companies from different countries. Now, if I'm interested in, we can remove certain countries or add them back. Let's say we remove United States, right, to see companies from other countries, right? We can also add it back.